Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for EMIs. An equated monthly installment, or EMI, allows you to pay for a large purchase over a set period, typically 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. Your credit card can transform a significant one-time expense into manageable, smaller payments. This method helps you budget effectively and acquire desired items without immediate financial strain. It's a convenient way to spread out costs. To convert a purchase into an EMI, first confirm your credit card provider offers this service. Most major banks do, but it is always wise to check. Next, ensure your transaction value meets the minimum threshold, which is often around 2,500 or 3,000 rupees. You can typically convert the purchase through your bank's online portal or mobile application within a few days of the transaction. While EMIs offer convenience, it is crucial to understand the associated costs. Most EMI conversions come with an interest rate, which can vary from 11 to 15% annually, depending on your bank and the tenure. Some banks might also charge a small processing fee, often around 100 to 200 rupees, for the conversion. Always review the total cost before finalizing your EMI plan. Using EMIs wisely can benefit your finances. Always ensure you pay your monthly installments promptly to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total available credit. Before confirming any EMI, thoroughly read the terms and conditions, including prepayment options and foreclosure charges, to make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.